have a beautiful Saltarelle Bouebe diatonic button accordion in the key of D and G. This 2-row accordion has 21 buttons on the right-hand side, in which it is a start 4. And over here on the left-hand side, you have 8 bass buttons, in which you have the unique feature over here, in which here you have it without the third in the bass, and there you have the full triad playing over here. It comes complete with the traditional thumb strap over here, and it will also have shoulder straps when it is sold. It has a dry traditional tuning, and so I'd like to play a little melody here for you. And then a nice little waltz. Okay, and then over here on the second row. Over here on the left-hand side, you have